video on something I just want to have a faff around with. Surprise, surprise. So I just want to make a pea puree, but I want to make it more so it's more similar to a guacamole as part of a bigger kind of experiment. So I've got some peas, they're cooked and they're tender. They're just the cheap ones from the supermarket, the wonky ones which are sell at like two-thirds of the price of normal peas. Yeah, and then I've got some homemade yogurt, and then for a little bit of acidity if we need it, I've got some homemade vinegar as well. So there's 200 grams worth of peas. Let's pure them down first, and then we'll get an idea of how much yogurt we want to add. That can start us off. That's going to want to fall over. We'll just have to make a mess and more washing up. So what we're going to do, let's put a dessert spoon, rounded dessert spoon in. We'll need some salt and pepper. Right, it needs another one that size in. So 2 rounded dessert spoons of yogurt. So there's already acidity in the yogurt. I want some pepper in a minute. And a creaminess as well. So it might be a bit like some salt as well, some guacamole. But we'll see. We'll see. I just kind of thought if I'm doing something on like a limited budget, limited ingredients, avocados are expensive. Well, they're not actually. They're rocketed down in price. That's because the Mexican cartels are involved in the avocado trade for some kind of reason. So the market is saturated with avocados, so it's rocketed the price down of avocados. But anyway, they're not as expensive as they used to be. But still, it's a limited budget, limited ingredients. So we need a spoon just to put that on the bottom of there. This is not going to be a quick video. They never are. It's mostly just me faffing around. Don't do this when they're still switched on. It's really dangerous. But I am I get paid for it, therefore I'm professional. Not from YouTube. Maybe one day, eh? With another one. So 3 is that? So maybe 2 would have been better, but we'll see. Oh, that's alright. So, and we could have got it smoother as well, but I'm curious about the taste. Mix it around and see how that tastes. You know, that's not bad. That's not bad. It needs to be smoother. It needs some more salt and pepper in it. Yeah, so I once made a broad bean pate, and it's a little bit like that. It's a little bit like that. I've got peas on the floor. So, and then a teaspoon of homemade vinegar. Just over a teaspoon. So, yeah, 2 dessert spoons would have been better instead of 3. Now we put the liquid in, but we can always add another 100 grams worth of peas to it. You know, it's not bad at all, is it? Right. Let's see if we can get that smoother and peel it down. You don't need to see that. And then we'll see if we can do a better job. That's about as smooth as it's going to get. We could put it in the food processor, but I don't want to make any more washing up because my life just seems to be lots of washing up and faffing around on video. So let's try it. Yeah, straight enough. So I put another 100 grams worth of peas in. So if we work on the assumption that per 100 grams of peas you want 50 grams worth of yogurt, and then you want a teaspoon worth of vinegar per 100 grams worth of peas, or lemon juice would be fine, but we're going on vinegar because I can make vinegar and that's part of the bigger kind of project. And then salt and pepper. And how does it taste? It's nice. It's nice. I think as part of a wrap, so we could do like a pulled pork wrap, or a pulled bacon wrap, like cooking bacon. That would be like the pie and think of pea and bacon. So pea and bacon, like pea and ham soup, pea and bacon soup, all work really kind of well. So if we take a pork like bacon and we put a pea puree in, like pea hummus, a pea guacamole, then that's going to work. So we have an alternative. So there we go. Use it like a dip, or put it in things like a wrap, or on top of things. But there we go. That works. Now it's not delicious, but it's good enough to be used in something. A success.